It's summer, it's hot, so why are we talking about Christmas music? Because they might be the easiest and most fun things to teach your kids right away when they're first learning piano. Hi, I'm Miss Emily, and I'm a piano and voice teacher and a mom, and I help parents introduce their kids to piano and voice in a fun, joyful, and creative way. In this video, I'm kicking off Christmas in July with a really simple video. 3 reasons why Christmas songs are a beginner's best friend. I think I'll take this off for now. One of the biggest hurdles that beginners face is the unknown. It's not knowing what a song should sound like, especially these beginner songs that are written to teach. Some of them aren't recognizable, and in fact, some of them are written by the people who wrote the book, and so nobody knows them. So sometimes students really hesitate, and they're not sure if what they're playing is right. However, Christmas songs, one of the most easily recognizable songs, right? Jingle bells, We Wish You a Merry Christmas, Deck the Halls, instantly recognizable. Your child already has that music in their head. They know what it sounds like, so it boosts their confidence when they can play it and it sounds right. And of course, when kids feel successful early on, it helps them to keep going, to continue on with lessons. Confidence is one of the biggest things that kids struggle with, but Christmas songs really help them be confident that they're playing it right. Holiday songs are often built on really simple, repetitive patterns. Think like repeated notes, repeated rhythms, things like that. So let's take the song Deck the Halls. You actually hear the same pattern in the song 3 different times. So it's a great example of how repetitive patterns can help with learning. So let's try some of it now. Teaching your child this pattern can really help them develop skills later on to be able to read the music. So let's try it together. Ready? So here is Deck the Halls. In one of my previous videos, we learned the C scale. So your thumb is going to go on middle C. Find the 2 black keys, that C right in front of them. Lay 1 finger per key right after that. And Deck the Halls starts on finger number 5, which is the G. That is just the very beginning of Deck the Halls, but you can see there was a clear pattern. All we did was we went down the scale. We started at the top, went all the way down, and then came back up halfway here, and then skipped down. Right? So any of these patterns that you can teach them by rote really helps them. Let's try that one more time, starting on G. Let's try it again, saying the steps and the pattern. So you start at the top, you go top, step, down, then step, up, halfway, then skip. That wasn't a very good way to do that, but you get the idea. So you can speak the patterns as you teach it. Now, the thing is, when they learn that, you know they're going to be itching for more. They're going to want to learn the rest of it. That's what always happens when I teach the hook of songs, which are the main parts of the songs. Kids are always wanting to learn the next part. That encourages them to learn. It gives them the confidence they need. So it's really exciting. Try that at home. My last simple reason that Christmas songs are great for beginner students is that because they're so joyful, most kids love Christmas music. It reminds them of happy times. It reminds us of happy times, right? So when we teach it to them and when they learn it, it just breeds joy. And especially when you guys, the parents, are coming in and clapping along and singing it with them, that's even better. Enjoying practice time and enjoying songs that they're doing helps them to want to learn piano for a long time and keeps their progress steady. I'm really excited to share that at the end of July, I'm launching my next book, which is all Christmas songs, My First Piano Christmas Songs. It's in the same series as these 2 books, the My First Piano Lessons and My First Piano Sheet Music. The Christmas book is in the same series, and if you go to this website, ebiamusic.com/books, you should be able to pre-order it today. The book has 20 Christmas songs that are perfect for the beginner piano student. They were arranged to be accessible, fun, and easy for even the youngest beginners. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking for something different, this book book is perfect to have in your library. Since the book is going on sale on July, but you can pre-order now, you can start teaching your kids Christmas songs now in the summer. As students progress and get a little more advanced, we actually start Christmas songs pretty early, like September, October. It takes that long to learn some of the harder pieces. However, this book, you'll be able to learn these really easily. But if you start early, they will be so confident by Christmas that they can probably play the whole book by Christmas time. Small steps like introducing a song a week or a song a month up until Christmas is a great way to get your kids started. I hope you found this video helpful and encouraging when introducing your kids to the piano, and I hope you'll consider going to my website, ebnmusic.com/books, to pre-order the Christmas book today. And if you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to me, EBN Music with Emily Norris, and you can follow me on any of my social medias, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course here on YouTube. The whole month of July, I'm going to be sharing a lot of Christmas in July things, so I hope you're ready. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!